guys. We have something to say. Oh, jumping clown.
There's something wrong with our car. Just take a listen.
I hear that mechanism noise.
So it went like.
Yeah. Well, something.
It has something to do with this.
So, can we take a look at the mechanism and see what's wrong?
Alright, let's take a look.
And see what's making that noise.
Gotta pull his dress up.
I think it only if he jumps.
Alright, anyways, before we go back to the clown, look at my dog.
You.
That's my dog.
Oi.
It's something to do with this.
I was playing with this earlier. Didn't that mechanism
Was it making that sound?
Yes. I was playing with it earlier. Like, it's something to do with this.
Yeah.
It just sounds like it's loud.
Loose bolt. A loose bolt. Loose bolt.
Did it lose bolt?
A loose bolt, not a lose bolt.
Oh my god.
It's almost fixed. This is so exciting, guys. Yippee, yippee, yippee.
Yeah, we'll fix it on Techie Toys claw.
Very well fixing it.
Yeah, because I don't know what's wrong with this noise. When I was playing with my pops in the hallway, the jumping clown.
Oh my god,
The jumping clown made that weird noise.
Like, if you want to talk, let's go to the other room to talk.
Okay.
So, yeah, come on.
What? But what about the jumping
So
clown?
yeah, you can record the clown here, so we can talk. So his clown was going like literally. It made like such weird noises. It went like, like a spring was broken or something. And so basically, what happened after that is we were just seeing what we do about it, and so we are looking at what we should do right now. And we were
It's
just
just the soundboard. It's just the catch. That's all.
but it's not there yesterday.
Yeah, it's alright for now. Well, I don't want
It's
to
a
think
cat.
Let's just make a video about what did you get?
For my birthday.
Yes.
Alright.
Do you know who gave it to you?
Alright, can we end the video now? Because I don't want it to jump. Alright, thanks